என்னுடைய காலை வணக்கங்கள். இங்கே வந்து உள்ளே நுழைந்தவுடன் ஒரு அழகான தமிழில் தொடர்ந்து பாடுவதை கேட்டு நான் அசந்து போனேன். ஏனென்றால் தமிழ்நாட்டிலே கூட எல்லா கோயில்களிலும் சமஸ்கிருதம் ஒலித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கிறது. சமஸ்கிருதம் ஒலிக்கிறது, வெளியில் ஒருவர் நின்று கொண்டு தமிழ் பாடுவார். உள்ளே சமஸ்கிருதத்திலே பூசாரி வந்து சாமியிடம் முறையிட்டு கோரிக்கை வைப்பார். இப்படிதான் அங்கே நடந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறது. ஆனால் கடல் கடந்து வந்து இங்கே வாழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கிற தமிழர்கள், நீங்கள் அழகு தமிழில் அனைவரும் பாடியது எனக்கு மிகுந்த மகிழ்ச்சியும் ஆச்சரியத்தையும் அளித்தது. நிச்சயமாக இதை கொண்டு போய், இந்த கருத்தினை கொண்டு போய் தமிழ்நாட்டில் பல பேரிடம் சொல்லுவேன். I am very happy to meet everyone in this get together. You all came in the morning, Sunday morning holiday, to pray before the God, to live happily, peacefully, and go further with the development. I am very happy to come to this country to meet our Tamil community, to bring a very important project to develop our community all over the world. This meeting actually invited by my good friend Mr. Karthik Muthusamy, is a long time my friend. We met him a few days back in Durban. He invited me to come to Johannesburg and give a speech before our Tamil community about this conference. I already met Mr. Mari Pillai twice. He's a very interesting personality to develop our Tamil community. He's always enthusiastic to participate all the meetings. You know very well, our Tamil community spread almost 89 countries all over the world. We are all went for different countries for the purpose of Tharaikadalodiyum Tharaviyum தேடிய செல்வத்தை தாய்நாட்டில் போடு, அல்லது வளர்ச்சி படியில் போடு, அல்லது வாழ்க்கையில் வளம் சேர்க்க போடு என்று அந்த காலத்திலே பாடியிருக்கிறார்கள். அதை மனதிலே கொண்டு we all went from different countries to make money and to live happily. But whether we succeeded or not, that is the question mark. To compare to other community, Jewish community or a Chinese community or a Gujarati community or a Punjabi community, you compare with the many community all over the world, how they build their economic prosperity. Our community is still lacking to go further economically powerful. We are not interested to be in a very rich, but we want to be in a very comfortable lifestyle. How we can go for comfortable lifestyle? We are always very polite, very peaceful, and learn all the art and go for a job. This is our Tamil community. Go for as an advocate, go for as a doctor, go for as a clerk, go for as an accountant. Like that we are living years together for various countries, going and working at that. If you go to America, the past 30 to 40 years, our Tamil community went for higher studies, research, and they developed very well. Wherever go, every 6 doctors, 1 doctor from Indian, every 10 doctors, 1 doctor is from Tamil Nadu, like that in America. That is because of the education. They went in Western countries, they settled very well in USA, Canada, UK, Australia, and other things. You all came to this country before 1947, the British India. Not only in South Africa, Guyana, Mauritius, Malaysia, Singapore, Australia, Fiji Islands, like that all over the world, the British taken you and your forefathers and for the various development work of this country. You build this country such a beautifully. You given your time, energy for your forefathers. You build this country very successfully. But if you are getting in a due share, we do not know. But we are creating a movement because of we want to give an awareness, not for any fighting, not for any movement, not for any agitation, nothing. Just we are giving an awareness how to develop ourselves economically, professionally, the business field or professional field. That is the reason we started this movement in the year of 2005, and we organized the first seminar in Sydney, went on very well. 300 participants came from different parts of that area. Then second seminar was organized in Kuala Lumpur. That is also went on very well. Then finally we decided first World Tamil Economic Conference held in Chennai in 2009. We invited the people all over the world. So 26 countries participated and we discussed about that. Discuss means you can meet different personalities, different countries. That is useful to get interaction and networking. Then furthermore, you have to develop yourself to meet the people and get a thread and go further. We are creating an opportunity how we can meet each other. You cannot go to America, you cannot go to Chennai, you cannot go to Kuala Lumpur at the same time. But you can meet the people in one hall, different, our Tamil community, our Indian community people, to meet each other and exchange their views. That is the reason we are organizing this 4th World Tamil Economic Conference coming November 15th to 19th in Durban International Convention Center. Actually, we want to organize in some hotel, but we want to show we are not an ordinary people. We are not a simple people. We are a pride people. We are a tall people. We are an intellectual people. That is why we want to show our importance. We selected the #1 convention center in the African continent, International Convention Center in Durban. We have to show everything, our activities, our self-respect. Always you have to be a pride and stand long. You see the Google chief is a Tamil guy sitting as a chief executive officer from Chennai in the Google. His yearly salary is 2,000 crores. Is getting as a salary and different parts of way. This is the way in which our Tamil community building their talent. Even if you go to Pepsi CEO is Indra Nui from Chennai, she is sitting as a lady chief executive officer in America. Like that, many individuals taken a big position from all over the world. I am requesting you all participate in this conference. This conference will be 3 days, full day session from 9 to 6, and 120 speakers from different countries will give speech on various subjects. Various subjects means business, import and export, professional activities, advocate, doctors, engineers, architect and different field development, employment opportunities, higher studies on education, hospitals, medical care, many other things we are included the topic in our conference, and also the community development, temple communities, all you can participate in this conference. In this conference, we fixed for the delegate fees for 2,000 for South African individuals. You are thinking 2,000 is a very high amount, or I do not know what is the fees you are thinking, but 2,000, you will get a 9 to 6 attendance from morning to evening. You can listen for 3 days for 120 speakers, and you will get a lunch. And also we are planning to give a dinner also. Cultural program from all over the world. People will come and perform the suitable and powerful and interesting cultural program. Also will be included in this program. I am requesting you, because Mr. Karthik Muthuswamy told you have to give a special discount for our Tamil people. Certainly we will give a special discount for Tamil people, and also we are already discussing with our executive committee in Chennai. After reaching Chennai, we will inform to Mr. Muthuswamy and Mr. Mari Pillai about a special discount for our Tamil Federation to participate in this conference. Of course, we will include some of the speakers also for your organization to give a speech. Of course, we can involve some of the people given some session as a welcome address or a vote of thanks in the conference. You can all should participate and benefit for this conference. This conference is not for me, because I traveled to 45 countries in my life. I met different personalities. This is for you. You have to meet many people. All persons from big caliber coming. The many ministers from India, many senior scholars from India, many businessmen from India, from Sri Lanka, from Malaysia, from Singapore, from Australia, from London, from New York, like that people are coming. Women have a special session. The National Women Commission chairperson lady from Tamil Nadu, sitting in Delhi, Our name is Lalita Kumaramangalam. She is coming to participate and give a speech about women development. So I am requesting you, everyone, use this opportunity and participate and get benefit. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I brought a pamphlet. This is will be there, all the information. There is a website called www.economicconference.in. If you go there, you will get all the information. If you want further more information, please send an email. We'll reply. Here in Johannesburg, we appointed for the South African this conference, the Logie Naidoo, former deputy mayor of Durban, the conference chairman. I am the convener of this conference because we want to put, because he came personally for the last conference. He taken an initiative to bring this conference to South Africa. Actually, this conference will go to London, but he requested me, because of South Africa, I have a lot of facilities, and our 1 million Indians, especially Tamils, are living in Durban. You have to conduct this conference in Durban. That is the reason we selected Durban as a venue. Another thing, last visit, many individuals and many people requested and told about their issues to unable to come to Chennai for the cultural reason or a medical reason or to create a networking or meet our roots, unable to come quickly to care. Every time we have to go via Dubai, 20 hours, 25 hours taking for to reach. Finally, we taken up this issue to Government of India. The Government of India agreed to now open a new route, Durban, Chennai, Durban direct flight. Within 3 months, you will get a direct flight before this conference. There's another good news for you. I'm very happy to announce this information also to you. I'm welcoming everyone to participate in this conference. You must all come and utilize this opportunity. Thank you, one and all. உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் அன்புகலந்த நன்றியையும் வணக்கத்தையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்வதில் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகின்றேன். இந்த மண்ணிலே தமிழ் மொழி கேட்பதிலும், தமிழில் நீங்கள் பாடுவதை கேட்பதிலும், தமிழ் மொழி மீது நீங்கள் வைத்திருக்கிற அன்பினையும், தமிழை வளர்ப்பதிலும் நீங்கள் காட்டி வரும் ஆர்வத்தையும் கண்டு மகிழ்கிறேன். இதை கண்டு நான் பூரிக்கிறேன். உங்களுக்கு என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களையும் நன்றியையும் மகிழ்ச்சியும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.